Hello, I'm Fergus. I'm one of the conductors of Còisir Lunnainn, and as part of our celebration of Seachdain na Gaidhlig, World Gaelic Week 2023, I'll be teaching you the tune of a song called Chunncas and suidhe. Hello, I'm also Fergus, but wearing a different colour and on the other side of the screen. I'll be teaching you the harmony part for the same song. This arrangement comes from a book called Lòndubh, The Blackbird, which is a 1905 collection of Gaelic songs in two-part harmony. Chunncas and suidhe is a beautifully repetitive song, or an irritatingly repetitive song depending on how you look at it. It talks about a woman sitting in a tower combing her yellow hair. She then mentions that she's the daughter of a king. It's either a Jacobite song, Bonnie Prince Charlie is often quoted in songs as a long-haired woman, or a metaphor for something I've not quite worked out yet. Let's start with the tune. I'm going to sing it in solfa so that we can get the hang of it before we have to start worrying about words. We'll follow the upper line of the solfa that you can see on the screen now. So la do do la so mi, so la do do la so do mi re mi, do la so do mi re mi, so mi re do. Let's break that down into two lines. So la do la so mi, so la do la so, and then so do mi re mi, do la so do mi re mi, so mi re do. Let's join up those two lines and sing it together. So la do la so mi, so la do la so do mi re mi, do la so do mi re mi, so mi re do. Now let's have a go at the harmony part. Once again, I'll sing it in solfa to get it into our heads before we learn the words. This time we're following the lower line of solfa on the screen. Mi fa mi fa mi do, mi fa mi fa mi do ti do, mi fa mi do ti do mi do ti do. Let's split that into two parts. Mi fa mi fa mi do, mi fa mi fa mi, and then mi do ti do, mi fa mi do ti do mi do ti do. And now let's try putting that all together, singing the melody and the harmony part at the same time. So la do la so mi, so la do la so do mi re mi, do la so do mi re mi, so mi re do. Now that we've got the tune down, let's think about the words. Each verse follows the same structure. You sing words for the first half of the first line, followed by farihi or fariho. Then there's more words for the first half of the second line, followed by eho. These words, farihi or fariho and eho, don't mean anything. They're vocables. That means repeated syllables that are used to carry the tune, like la la la, hey diddle diddle, or nickety nackety noo noo noo. So we'll start with verse 1. It goes, Chunncas and suidhe, farihi or fariho, sa falta sias na Lòndubh buie, eho. A woman was seen sitting in the tower, farihi or fariho, her hair down in yellow ringlets, eho. Let's sing these lines to the melody. Chunncas and suidhe, farihi o fariho, sa falta sias na Lòndubh buie, eho. And let's sing these lines to the harmony part. Chunncas and suidhe, farihi o fariho, sa falta sias na Lòndubh buie, eho. And now let's stick these lines together. Chunncas and suidhe, farihi o fariho, sa falta sias na Lòndubh buie, eho. Each verse takes the second line of the previous verse, repurposing it as its first. So verse 2 goes, Sa falta sias na Lòndubh buia, fada hi o fada ho, siga hirig le kirega, e ho o, e ho o. Her hair down in yellow ringlets, and she's combing it with a wooden comb. Let's sing that together. Sa falta sias na Lòndubh buia, fada hi o fada ho, siga hirig le kirega, e ho o, e ho o. Verse 3 starts with the last line of verse 2. Siga hirig le kirega. Then it adds its own line. Yorich mi yi ko yeim biech. I asked her who she was. Siga hirig le kirega, fada hi o fada ho, yorich mi yi ko yeim biech, e ho o, e ho o. And verse 4 does the same. Yorich mi yi ko yeim biech, gurin tarsh dri maharig liach. She answers the question saying, the High King is my rightful father. Yorich mi ko yeim biech, fada hi o fada ho, gurin tarsh dri maharig liach, e ho o, e ho o. Once again, verse 5 takes that last line of verse 4 and then keeps the story going. Gurin tarsh dri maharig liach, Machgri Seamus a Torstrom Bia, the son of King James, gives me food. Gurin tarsh dri maharig liach, fada hi o fada ho, Machgri Seamus a Torstrom Bia, e ho o, e ho o. And in the last verse, we take the second line of verse 5 and add a final line. Machgri Seamus a Torstrom Bia, Savanchir Nyog a Torstrom Dia. His young lady gives me a drink. Machgri Seamus a Torstrom Bia, fada hi o fada ho, Savanchir Nyog a Torstrom Dia, e ho o, e ho o. So now that we've covered both parts of the arrangement and all of the words, let's stick it all together and sing it through. Feel free to join me in the melody, or join me in the harmony part, or you can switch between the two parts verse by verse. Chunncas bens and tuna suidhe, fada hi o fada ho, sa falta sias na Lòndubh buia, e ho o, e ho o. Sa falta sias na Lòndubh buia, fada hi o fada ho, siga hirig le kirega, e ho o, e ho o. Siga hirig le kirega, fada hi o fada ho, yorich mi yi ko yeim biech, e ho o, e ho o. Yorich mi yi ko yeim biech, fada hi o fada ho, gurin tarsh dri maharig liach, e ho o, e ho o. Gurin tarsh dri maharig liach, fada hi o fada ho, Machgri Seamus a Torstrom Bia, e ho o, e ho o. Machgri Seamus a Torstrom Bia, fada hi o fada ho, Savanchir Nyog a Torstrom Bia, e ho o, e ho o. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in Ceilidh Lunnainn. We would love it if you could follow us on our various social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube at Ceilidh Lunnainn. To find out more about us in general, please see our website, coishadlunnainn.org. And happy Seachdain na Gaidhlig, World Gaelic Week. To learn more about Seachdain na Gaidhlig, please see their website, seachdainagaidhlig.scot. Bye for now. Cheerio nish.